If you are tired of generating tiny 5-second video clips, you are probably crying into your cold coffee at 2 in the morning. Trying to stitch 50 random AI clips into a real video feels like building a rocket ship with toothpicks. ClawVID claims to solve this entire nightmare by turning one single prompt into a complete 30-minute video automatically. No editing timeline, no recording voiceovers, no hiring expensive video editors. Let us see if this tool actually delivers or if it is just another shiny dashboard. Hey, Kamal here from TestedApps.com. I have spent over 6 years testing digital tools, building SEO pipelines, and running affiliate campaigns that actually make money. I have seen every kind of software promise the moon. Today, we're doing a complete, honest breakdown of ClawVID with real results, zero hype, and no fluff. Before we jump in, if you decide ClawVID fits your business, grab it through my link in the description below. I put together a custom bonus bundle designed to fix the biggest gaps in automated video creation. You get my private high CPM niche vault, my click-getting thumbnail templates, and my step-by-step YouTube ranking blueprint. All details are waiting for you down below. ClawVID is an autonomous cloud-based video creation platform built for YouTubers, affiliate marketers, course creators, and agency owners. Most basic AI video generators make 5-second clips and stop. ClawVID takes a completely different angle. The platform is designed to produce complete long-form videos ranging from 5 to 30 minutes in length. You give it a single idea and it handles the research, writes the script, matches stock footage and AI scenes, records the voiceover, and syncs background audio. No video production degree required. Using ClawVID comes down to 3 dead simple steps that anyone can follow. Step 1, you type in your topic idea. You could type, create a 15-minute documentary about the history of artificial intelligence. It's easier than ordering a pizza on your phone. Step 2, the autonomous production engine takes over. The system outlines the script, writes full chapters, matches stock footage and AI scenes, records the voiceover, and syncs background audio. No video production degree required. Step 3, your finished video appears on your screen. You can review the scenes, swap any visual clips you want, export the file in high definition, or publish it straight to your YouTube channel. Boom, done. Here's what actually moves the needle when you look inside the software. First, the long-form script engine. Most basic AI tools write 2 short paragraphs and quit. ClawVID builds a complete narrative with an attention-grabbing hook, structured body chapters, smooth transitions, and a clear call to action. That retention structure keeps viewers watching longer. Second, the automatic scene and asset matching. The software breaks your script down sentence by sentence. It pairs every single line with relevant cinematic footage and B-roll. You no longer have to spend 6 hours hunting through stock libraries to find the right video clip. Third, natural voiceovers with synchronized audio. You get access to over 50 realistic AI voices across dozens of languages. The background music ducks and swells automatically with the voiceover pacing. You don't need an expensive microphone or a soundproof recording booth. Fourth, built-in animated captions and SEO packaging. The system creates dynamic on-screen subtitles to boost watch time. It also generates your video title, description, tags, and chapter timestamps, so your video is ready to rank from day 1. Let us talk real numbers and compare this to the traditional video creation stack. Normally, you would pay $30 a month for an AI writer, another $30 for voiceovers, $40 for stock video footage, and $20 for caption tools. That easily adds up to over $120 every single month. That's over $1,400 every year just to keep your software running. ClawVID is available during this launch window for a one-time payment of $17. You pay once, unlock the core software, and you never have to deal with monthly subscription fees. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
If you've ever tried making a video with AI and got handed a 5-second clip, then had to make 20 more of them, then spent 3 hours in an editor trying to glue them together into something that doesn't look insane, I need you to stop what you're doing, because what I'm about to show you ends that forever. Here's the dirty secret nobody in the AI video space wants to admit. Every single AI video tool on the market right now, every one of them, has the exact same limitation. 5 seconds. Maybe 8 if you're lucky. That's it. That's the ceiling. So what happens? You end up doing the exact same job you were trying to avoid in the first place. Now you're the scriptwriter, storyboard artist, prompt engineer, voice actor, music producer, and video editor, generating 40, 60, sometimes 100 tiny clips, stitching them together, trying to make the characters look consistent, trying to stop the lighting from suddenly changing, trying to make scene 17 actually look like it belongs after scene 16. You bought an AI video tool because you wanted less work. Somehow, you ended up with more. Think about that. AI generated the clips, but you still made the video. And that's the problem ClawVID was built to destroy. Imagine if that entire workflow disappeared. Imagine typing one sentence, create a 20-minute documentary about the world's most mysterious abandoned cities, and instead of getting another 5-second clip, you got back the whole video, scripted, scened, voiced, scored, edited, captioned, SEO optimized, and ready to publish. A real 5, 10, 20, even 30-minute long-form video. Not a clip, not a fragment. From one idea. That's no longer a what if, that's ClawVID. Introducing ClawVID, the world's first OpenClaw-powered autonomous long-form AI video creator. Here's what that actually means. Most AI video tools generate pieces. ClawVID finishes the job. Here's the difference. With the old way, prompt, generate short clip, generate another clip, generate another, repeat, write script, create voiceover, find music, open your editor, stitch everything together, fix the timing, add captions, create your SEO, export. You manage the production. But with ClawVID, one idea, one autonomous production, workflow, one complete 5 to 30-minute video. That's it. The moment you type your idea, 3 engines fire off at once. One writes your full script, a real beginning, middle, and end, built to hold attention, not lose it after 5 seconds. One builds your scenes, and this is the part that changes everything. Every scene remembers the one before it. Same characters, same setting logic, same visual thread. A real story, not a slideshow. And the third handles your voice, your music, and your edit, narrating your script in a natural human voice, scoring it scene by scene, and cutting the whole thing into one seamless, ready-to-publish video. You watch it happen live. No black box render queue. No guessing if it worked, because powering ClawVID is OpenClaw. Think of OpenClaw as your autonomous AI production director. You give it the final objective, and instead of waiting for you to manually execute every little step, OpenClaw breaks that objective into production tasks. Plans the video, writes the script, builds the scenes, coordinates the visuals, creates the narration, adds music, edits everything together, and prepares your video for publishing. So instead of you managing the AI manages the production. Other AI gives you the pieces. ClawVID finishes the job. Here's how ridiculously simple it is. Step 1. Type your idea. Something as simple as create a 15-minute documentary about the rise of artificial intelligence. Step 2. Choose your video length and style. Then let ClawVID take over. It creates your complete long-form script, breaks it into scenes, creates and matches the visuals, generates your AI voiceover, adds background music, synchronizes everything, edits the production, creates captions, and prepares your SEO title, description, tags, and publishing assets. Step 3. Export your finished video. That's it. No camera, no microphone, no complicated editing software, no production crew, and no stitching 100 tiny clips together. One prompt in, one finished video out. Think about what you could do with this. Create complete faceless YouTube videos, documentaries, product reviews, video sales letters, explainer videos, affiliate videos, course lessons, training videos, marketing videos, or use your commercial license to produce videos for clients. Instead of spending your day producing one video, your biggest question becomes, what should I create next? And if you sell videos to clients, imagine having an AI production studio that never gets tired. Give ClawVID the brief. Let OpenClaw execute the production. Deliver the finished video. Get paid. Then repeat. It doesn't matter what you do. If you need long-form video content, ClawVID does the job of a scriptwriter, a voice actor, an editor, and a motion designer combined from one sentence. Here's what you're getting today. The full ClawVID core engine. Script writing, continuity scene generation, production, AI voiceover, auto-composed music, and full auto-edit, all built in. Built-in SEO, so every video comes out titled, tagged, and optimized to actually get found. One-click export, ready for YouTube, TikTok, or client delivery. Unlimited long-form video generation. No credits, no per minute fees, no caps. And a full commercial license. Every video you make, you can publish, sell, or hand to a client and keep 100% of the profit. Plus, if you act today, you're getting our full bonus bundle. The long-form content playbook, the faceless channel launch kit, the client video services blueprint, our prompt engineering guide, and done-for-you SEO swipes. All included, all free. Now think about what this replaces. Multiple AI subscriptions, separate AI video tools, script writing software, voiceover software, stock footage, music, editing software, caption tools, SEO software, or paying a video production agency thousands of dollars for a single long-form video. But during this special launch, you won't pay $997. You won't pay $197. You won't even pay $97. You can activate ClawVID today for just $17 one time and lock in lifetime access. No monthly subscription, plus unlimited video creation, commercial rights, and all the bonuses you see on this page. And here's the part that removes every excuse. You're covered by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Try ClawVID. Build with it. If it's not everything I just showed you, email us and get every cent back. There's no risk sitting on your side of this. All the risk is on ours. Now here's the thing. This is a one-time launch price. It will not stay this way. Once this window closes, ClawVID moves to a recurring monthly rate because frankly, what this replaces is worth a lot more than what you're about to pay today. So don't overthink this one. Click the button below you right now. Get instant access to ClawVID. And the next time you have an idea for a video, you won't need a camera, a script, a voice actor, or an editor. You'll just need one sentence. So you have two choices. Keep generating 5-second clips and doing the rest of the production yourself. Or stop creating clips and start creating complete videos. Give ClawVID one idea and let OpenClaw handle the production, script, scenes, voice, music, editing, captions, SEO, export. One idea, one autonomous AI, one complete long-form video. Click the button below right now, activate your ClawVID account for just one-time fee, and create your first complete long-form AI video today. Stop generating clips, start producing videos. Click below and get ClawVID now.
When you pick up the front-end offer, you will see several optional upgrades in the funnel. Here's my honest breakdown so you don't waste your money. OTO1 is ClawVID Unlimited, priced at $67 with a $47 downsell. This removes all rendering caps and project restrictions. If you plan to post daily content on YouTube, make sure to click the downsell button on the page to grab this at $47. OTO2 is the Done-For-You package at $197. This gives you pre-made templates and niche setups. It's fine for total beginners, but experienced marketers can build their own easily. OTO3 is ClawVID Automation for $27 on the downsell. This unlocks direct hands-free scheduling and automatic publishing. It's a very solid add-on for running faceless channels on autopilot. You can safely skip the rest of the generic traffic and website upgrades in the funnel. Stick to the front end and the unlimited upgrade to get maximum value for your money. I ran ClawVID through my usual production torture test to see what happens behind the curtain. I gave it a prompt for a 10-minute affiliate review video in the software niche. The script came back with a solid hook, clear feature breakdowns, and strong calls to action. The voiceover sounded clean and paced correctly. The rendering pipeline took about 20 minutes to output the finished project. The visuals are a mix of curated stock footage and AI motion clips. While you may want to swap out a scene or two to match your exact taste, the tool gave me an 80% finished project in minutes. It completely eliminates the blank canvas problem. Let's keep things completely real. ClawVID is not a magic button that generates millions of dollars overnight without effort. The software won't pick your business strategy for you. You still need to research profitable niches with real demand. The visuals are clean stock footage and AI assets, not a $5 million Hollywood movie studio. Also, remember that their refund policy requires you to actually test the software and contact support if you hit a technical issue. If you expect effortless riches without doing basic niche research, this is not for you. Imagine being able to take a fresh video idea and turn it into a complete, publishable, long-form YouTube video before your lunch break is over with. No more staring at blank editing timelines. No more spending 8 hours on a single video only to burn out. That's the leverage automated video production gives you. The special $17 launch pricing is temporary, so grab your access now before it turns into a monthly subscription. If you have any questions about ClawVID, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Hit the like button if this honest review saved you time and money, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point tech breakdowns. Kamal from TestedApps.com. See ya!